Whoa. Feel that?
Yeah, you know, that's what I'm trying to tell you.
When you were sitting, this is really hurts though,
Yeah.
right? Because that's almost unbearable.
No, I can.
But this, what is? Okay, let me do something here. This versus, I know they're both sore. This.
The other side was
The right?
worse. No,
This one?
yeah,
This one's worse.
yeah.
Okay, so my point is, to me, when I feel this structurally, this feels so stuck.
Yeah.
It's like
Yeah, this side feels tighter, but this side feels
more acute,
yeah.
more sharp.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not only my head is crazy. All my body's crazy.
And I'm going to take it down here. And then here we go. Hold. Shake, 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 shake. Again, I'm going to use my knuckles this time so my thumb can't get it. There it is.
Mm-hmm.
Excellent. Oh, Diego. Okay, here we go. Working through the joints. You know, just one at a time here. 1, 2. Is that too much?
No.
Okay. I'm gonna get some oil in your hair, sorry.
That's fine. Whatever you need.
Yeah, I mean, it's right here at the hairline. That was a big one, I'm sorry.
That's fine.
That's it, that's it. Oh.
There's an alien.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
Chin back.
Excellent. Breathe. Is it okay?
Yes.
That didn't hurt or zing
No,
you or
no.
anything? Okay.
No, it feels better.
Okay.
At mandragonmerch.com, you'll find all the products I've personally created. 100% pure oils, no water, no glycerin, and no fillers. Boosted with blue tansy and arnica, delivers a deep relaxation without a greasy feel, just a clean, fresh scent. In addition, check out my back massage rollers. They are perfect for when you don't have time to get a massage.
Excellent. Breathe. That's it. Ooh. I'm just going to leave you there, okay? We're going to go to the toes. Good. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that was like 3 pops there.
Yeah.
See, that was a little tricky. There it goes. And I'll be careful with the other knee because I know you said it was a little sore.
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Right there. So to give your knee some relief,
Mm-hmm.
you can work on these. Oh, a little better.
Yeah. Even the hand like
Feel a little light.
Yeah.
Thought you might. No,
Yeah.
just took your head around.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's some here. In Brazil, do they do any hair popping?
Never heard of it. But maybe there is like a big
that.
community of therapeutic massagers and everything.
No, you're okay. There's just congestion at the very top of your skull.
Yeah.
So I'm just kind of pulling it. I think that's quicker. Just take like that. Good. Okay. And then elbow back and towards mine. Good.
Oh.
Yeah, she's so flexible. I'm just being real careful here. Lean away from me. Good. Okay. Another hand on your hip. And then elbow back.
All right.
Lean away. Okay.
Deep breath in.
Oh. Very good. And let it all out. Good, good, good. You're okay. It's awfully tight. My, that midsection, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. And again. Good, we're just stuck right here. Not too bad though. And again. Excellent. All right. Okay, that was it. Right here, you just have so much tension.
Yes.
Is that okay with this roller?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hands on the carpet for me down there. There you go. Excellent. There we go. Up at the top here. All right. Do you mind? I'm going to work on your glutes.
No, I don't mind.
Here's the back of that leg.
Yeah.
Okay, other side. Oh, you got a knot here.
Yeah.
Woo! Okay. Let me back off. Is that too much?
Oh, I can handle.
Okay, okay, I know, it is just there. Just keep rolling over it. Don't put too much pressure on it. Oh my. Right here, here we go. Take a deep breath in. This is a little painful one, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Do it again. Okay, there it is. It's gone. It's gone. All right, that's some of the hardest work. Okay. Let's see here. Tuck your chin for me a little bit. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna go over here. This is that sore side, huh?
Yes.
Okay. I feel it. It's almost like your loose side, the side that's not as tight,
No, and the other side
is the one
normally-
that's painful.
Yes.
You know?
Yeah.
It's like interesting.
Normally it's the other way around.
This
The
side
right
is
side.
so much more tighter,
Mm-hmm.
but this is the one that's painful.
Yes.
I see. That's interesting.
This has been going on for the last few days, but normally it's the other way around. The pain is also on the right side.
I see. Okay.
I don't-
Well, I worked pretty hard on the right.
Mm-hmm.
It's because that, from my point of view, needed it. All right, ears, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Lean away to your whole body. that didn't make too much of a sound. But is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
So hopefully we picked it up so everybody could know what that sounded like to you.
Yeah. If you didn't pick it up, at least they saw my face.
Well, yeah, you know,
Oh,
this is,
you cried.
that's stuck.
Yeah.
You know, it needs to be released.
Mhm.
Okay. You're like, yeah, I know. That was clearly stuck. The bottom was okay. You know what? Oh, a little bit.
Whoa.
Both sides. Okay. Yeah, somebody didn't work on your on the ear, you know, like here. That's why when I was moving your hair, I was kind of like, ooh, you know, it's stuck.
She's like, what else do you got in your bag of tricks?
Yes! That's amazing. You found knots that I didn't even know were there, and wow.
That's my job. That's my job. Here we go. Open up the jaw for me. Hold it. There we go. Oh, they could only hear that knot.
Mm-hmm.
Let me relax the jaw for me. There we go. And just relax. There you go. Now lean this way.
Very hard.
There you go. Hey, there you go. That's it. Now relaxed. Kind of release the eyebrows.
Mm-hmm.
You know, they don't. Sometimes there's an adhesion. Trigeminal nerve is here. Cranial nerve 5. You know, when you have a headache, sometimes it's good to just pull that. Sorry about poking you in the eye.
No, that's fine.
Just pulling that fascia.
Okay, I'm gonna try it.
I got oil on me, so I'm slipping, but yeah, you just pull that.
Mm-hmm.
Just feels good to have that worked on. I've got you. I got your whole body. Good. And then look back. Take a deep breath in. And here we go. Good. Other side. I've got you. Is that okay? That's all it goes. That is all it goes. On your back. It's closed. I'm not gonna.
Yeah.
If it goes, it goes. All right. So then you're gonna press out against my hand. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. And then squeeze. Squeeze my hand. Whoa. So sometimes that's the one that needs it. Not because these kind of went click, click.
Yeah.
I'm like, I wonder if the front one is tight. Okay, come on up. We're gonna do an exercise. How do you feel? You doing okay? Like, you're feeling all right?
Yes.
Okay. Because I don't want to keep continuing if you're feeling overwhelmed at all. Okay.
I'm